Namaste, this is Aparna, and in today's yoga practice I welcome you, and let's begin with a yoga prayer. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhag Bhavet. May all beings be happy. May all beings be free of disease. May all beings can see what is good for them. So if you are in a rush and you want to do only 10-minute yoga practice, you can follow this. So make a Nasika Mudra by folding the first two fingers at the base of the thumb and make a little circle. Close your right nostril. Inhale and exhale from the left. After doing 3 breaths, you can switch sides and close the left nostril and inhale, exhale from the right. Next, pranayama, where you can instantly calm your agitated or anxious mind. So for that, bring your 2 hands out, close your ears, close your eyes, rest the ring finger on the side of the nostril, little finger on the top of the mouth, and create a humming bee breath. Please rub your palms together. Rest your warm hands on top of your eyes and bring a gentle smile on the face. Because remember, smiling is facial yoga. So never forget to include facial yoga into your practice. Now place your hands firmly on your thighs and start to roll the shoulders from front to back. And now from back to front. Your hands on your thighs, press them firmly, look onto your right. Head to the center, look onto your left. Head to the center, look up, and if it is sunny, close your eyes. Bring your head to the center and look down. Look at the beautiful grass that is also participating in the yoga practice. Bring your head to the center and maybe appreciate the grass in front of you. Touch it, feel it. If you're practicing indoor, you can skip this practice or still just place your hands on your earth, Mother Earth, or whatever floor, wooden floor or any floor that you have in front of you. And now place both hands fingertips down on the ground. Inhale, raise your arms, bring the palms together. Exhale down. Inhale up, look up. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now bring your left hand on your right knee, right arm behind you, and turn, make use of the spinal twist, look over the right shoulder. Switch sides. Come back to the center. Now you can go on to your hands and knees. On your hands and knees, stretch the right leg. Bring it in, out, down. Stretch, in, out, in, out, in, out, down. Stretch left arm, stretch right arm. Now opposite sides, left arm, right leg. Then right arm, left leg. Bring the whole body in one alignment and stretch the right arm up to the sky. If it is warm and sunny, maybe close your eyes and come back to tabletop. Switch side. Come back to tabletop, neutral tabletop, hips to heels. Now curl the toes under, lift your hips high and move into Adho Mukha Svanasana. From Adho Mukha Svanasana, place your right foot in front, back knee down, and inhale, raise your arms, palms together, look up. Hands down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Knees down, lie down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Curl the toes under, lift your hips high, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left foot to front, back knee down. Inhale, raise the palms together. Look up. Both hands down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Knees down, lie down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. And coming back. Walk your feet to the top of the mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming to stand in Tadasana. Palms together. Exhale, arms on the side of the body and coming to stand. Take a deep breath in and out. Raise both arms, interlace the fingers, stretch arms out. Inhale, raise both arms and lift both heels. And release. Raise left foot to right thigh and inhale, bring both arms up for Vrikshasana with a gentle smile on the face and release. Now place right foot on left thigh and inhale, bring both arms up, look up and smile. Release. Come to sit in Malasana. Coming back in Bhadrasana. Both feet together. And come to lie on your back. With your both knees bent. Make a bridge And with windshield wiper, you can end your practice. Then it is up to you. If you can spend a minute in Shavasana, that would be beautiful. Then come to your side with the support of your hand. Come. And with this, you can end your practice. Namaste, and we will meet again soon.